A sneak preview of the 31 tableau that will roll down Kartavya Path during the 76th Republic Day celebrations was given to the media at the Rashtriya Rangshala camp at Delhi Cantonment on Wednesday. While this year's Republic Day celebrations focus on the 75th anniversary of the enactment of the Constitution of India, the theme for the tableau is Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas. The tableau of Jammu and Kashmir is set against a stunning backdrop depicting its scenic beauty and rich cultural heritage.
We were earlier too proud of it and we are now proud of it, and it's overwhelming to be a part of this diversity and the theme we have today.
The theme is cultural heritage of Jammu and Kashmir, and particularly dominating Kashmir heritage is shown here. You can see the Kashmiri house here, which is actually built by small logs and collected joint, and then it is built. And then again you can see the natural beauty, lush green lawn and colorful flowers. Beside it you can see a chinar tree, which is the identity of Kashmir. Moreover, art of Kashmir, you know, the famous Pashmina shawls and carpets and all that is displayed here.
Definitely it feels very, very beautiful and feels very grateful. As you said, it is a symbol of beauty, it is a symbol of love. So being a part of Kashmir, it feels very grateful. This, what we're wearing on the head, it's called tomar, it's called Kashmiri har, and these are called dur in Kashmir. Dur. And this, you know, is farran. And we do this tilla work on this farran. It's very famous in Kashmir.
With depictions of Samudra Manthan, Amrit Kalash and holy men bathing on the banks of the Sangam in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh's Republic Day tableau showcases the grandeur of the Mahakumbh, portraying a metaphorical confluence of Virasat and Vikas.
महाकुंभ को आप कर्तव्य पथ पर देखेंगे और हमने दिखाने का प्रयास भी किया है। अभी आपने पिछला स्नान देखा, पिछले स्नान में किस तरीके से लोगों ने अमृत स्नान किया, किस तरह लोग आए और उनको क्या क्या वहाँ डिजिटल माध्यम से सुविधाएं प्राप्त हुई, उसको हमने एक एलईडी के माध्यम से प्रदर्शित किया है। क्या दिखा रहे हैं एलईडी में हम दिखा रहे हैं कि जो अभी पिछला स्नान 14 जनवरी को हुआ, उसमें किस तरह से श्रद्धालु आए, उनको क्या क्या सुविधाएं मुहैया कराई गई और किस तरह से शाही स्नान संगम में हुआ, वो सारी चीज़ें हमने उसमें लाइव प्रदर्शित की हैं।
The Ministry of Earth Sciences tableau showcases 150 years of the India Meteorological Department, its transformative journey and the future roadmap in what will be the first appearance of its tableau at the annual ceremonial parade.
We want to demonstrate in the first one as a cyclone, how we are able to, it will be rotating, how we are able to forecast better. The front portion. It is a front portion. And the second portion is various stakeholders, how various stakeholders we are able to provide weather service in terms of agriculture or power sector or various sectors, whatever the people are needed. So various sectors, how they are benefiting, and that we are demonstrating in the second tableau. And the third one, we are going for the futuristic as a 2047, how we will be going for weather management level.
The Republic Day parade will begin on the morning of January 26th with Prime Minister Narendra Modi laying a wreath at the National War Memorial. The ceremonial parade at Kartavya Path will be heralded by 300 cultural artists playing Sare Jahan Se Acha on musical instruments representing different parts of the country. 16 tableaux from various states and union territories, along with 15 from central government ministries, departments and organizations, will be on display.